Good morning, all of you, my dear students. Today we will start new topic in our English grammar. The name of that topic is interjection. Now, first of all, we will see what is interjection. Now, see, interjection can be defined as an interjection or exclamation is a word used to express a particular emotion or sentiment on the part of the speaker, which means interjection or exclamation is such type of word which is always used for what purpose, which is always used to express a particular emotion, or which is always used to express a specific emotion or sentiment on the part of the speaker. So that type of word should be known as what? Interjection. I think that all of you understand here a little bit explanation of interjection. Now, my dear students, we will read complete explanation of interjection. In this we will see what is interjection. This is a complete explanation of interjection. Now, see, an interjection is one of the parts of speech used to express a particular emotion or sentiments, which means interjection is one part of the speech which is always used to express any specific or particular emotion or sentiments, just like a strong feeling or sudden emotion like surprise, joy, excitement, disgust, enthusiasm, sorrow, approval, calling, attention, etc. Such type of feelings or sudden emotions should be shown by the help of that particular word interjection, or we can say by the help of interjection of the speaker to the reader. That emotion should be shown of the speaker to whom, that emotion should be shown of the speaker to the reader. Now, see, afterward, interjection words are generally used at the beginning of a sentence, which means these words, those words which belong to interjection, those words are always used at the beginning of the sentence, or we can say at the starting of the sentence. Now, see, afterward, sometimes it is used as a single word or non-sentence phrase and followed by a punctuation mark, which means sometimes interjection words are used as a single word, or we can say sometimes interjection words are used in a form of non-sentence phrase and also followed by the punctuation mark, or we can say that these words, interjection words, are followed by the punctuation mark. Now, see, afterward, I think that all of you understand till up to here. Now, see, afterward, what should be given there? Some other interjection words used as introductory expression, which means there are some other interjection words which are always used as introductory expression, which means they are always used as an introduction expression, which means that word, there are some word which used to show expression in a form of introduction. So that's why there should be given some other introductory words used as introductory expression, such as yes, no, well, indeed, etc. A comma for a mild interjection. For a mild interjection, we use comma, or an exclamation mark. We can use exclamation mark for surprising, emotional, emotional or deep feeling interjection. We use exclamation mark for showing surprising, comma, emotional or deep feeling interjection is used after the use of an interjection word. These things should be used after the use of interjection word in a sentence. So I think that, my dear students, all of you understand the explanation of interjection in an easily way. Now see afterward what should be given. List words example. Now we will see list, or we can say words or example. Ah, wow, hey, hooray, oh, ops, hush, bravo, hello, ah, well done, alas, hi, etc. These are some words which are belonging to interjection group, or we can say these are some words which are belonging to interjection words. Now we will see an example. Now we will see example of interjection word. Now see, my dear students, first example. Hello, I am Ram, in full stop. In this sentence, hello, exclamatory mark, I am Ram. In this sentence, hello, exclamatory mark, this is interjection word, and after that interjection word there is exclamatory mark. Now see second example. Hooray, exclamatory mark, we successfully won this football match, full stop. In this sentence, hooray, exclamatory mark, this hooray is interjection word, and after that interjection word there is given exclamatory mark. So I think that all of you understand what is interjection. First of all, with the help of an explanation, then afterward I just shown you a list word and example with the help of an example. So my dear students, I think that all of you understand the explanation of interjection with the help of an example in an easily way. So my dear students, first of all read it, then write it, then afterward learn it. Take care, have a nice day.